So I'm here in my junky garage to do an unboxing video. And the unboxing is a 22 conversion kit for the AR-15. So let me exercise my Arizona freedom and this is a true unboxing. I have not had this out yet. It was just delivered to me. I had to finish watching 1962's Mutiny on the Bounty before I open this box. It comes in a cardboard box with lots of paper. Oh, they gave me a hat. Well, that's very nice. And the hat comes in a little plastic baggie. And it says Primary Arms on it. It's a little tight, so I will adjust it because I have a fat head. And I will show it to you on my head a little bit later. It comes with a card that says thank you for my order and a personalized message. It comes with a sticker, Primary Arms. I guess I'll stick it on one of my. It comes with a bill of lading. Oh, 2 stickers. I guess I'll stick those stickers on one of my ammo cans. So we're going to set the box aside. And we're going to do a couple things here. We're going to open the conversion kit. Now I bought the conversion kit with 3 magazines. You can get them with just 1 magazine. And I believe I'm going to pause the video and get a pair of scissors. Sometimes scissors work on these plastic cases better than a knife. So I realize that it's always safety first, and I also realize that there's live ammunition here in front of me, which is going to be removed before we do anything to do with this firearm. I left it there for a purpose, and the purpose is to demonstrate safety. So before anybody goes and making nasty comments, let me do safety first. Let me remove all the live ammunition from the vicinity. And let me clear this weapon. The magazine is out, the bolt is open. But we always want to run the bolt a couple times to make sure that it is clear. Stick our finger in, there is nothing in there. Let's look in the magazine well. There is nothing in the magazine well. So I'm going to drop the bolt carrier closed, and I'm going to set the rifle aside. So always be safe. Safety is our #1 concern. There's a fellow that I watch, and I'm not going to advertise his channel, although his name is Crazy Russian Hacker if you ever want to look at him. And he always says safety is our #1 concern. So that's where I borrowed that from. So we're going to open the package, and it comes with the new bolt carrier group. It is very dry. Now, I've already discovered on other YouTube channels that you really need to lubricate this. It comes with a protective cap over this, which is just a 5.56 or 223 shell casing, mock-up of a shell casing. And so this will actually go into the chamber of the rifle, and this will replace your entire trigger group. So I'm going to put the cover back on for a moment, and I'm going to show the magazines. The magazines are basically AR-15 magazines covering the 22 magazines. And they fit directly in the magazine well. As I said, I bought the one. This is a CMMG 22 long rifle AR conversion kit from 5.56 or 223 to 22 long rifle. And I bought the one with 3 magazines. Now we're going to set 2 of the magazines aside for right now. And so the first and foremost thing I want to do is, again, make sure that this weapon is safe. Completely empty, nothing in there. The next thing we want to do is we want to pop our retaining pin our rear retaining pin so that the whole assembly opens up. That's easy enough. And then with no pressure on it, the bolt carrier group comes straight out. And we're going to set this aside, and we're going to take the cover off of this, and we're going to slide it straight in. And it is that simple. So now, the trigger mechanism, the bolt mechanism, I stand corrected, works nicely. So, what I want to do now is, since I've seen to my satisfaction that it fits, I'm going to take it out again. Maybe. It just needed a little bit of oomph to it. I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to oil this. Now, I took my rag off of here, which I probably shouldn't have, but I did because my junky garage already looks junky enough. And I thought, well, with the old rag on there, it looks pretty junky. But I'll put the rag back. I'll take my knife out of there, because otherwise I'll be cursing myself. Where is my knife? I'm going to set the magazine aside. I'm going to put my knife in my pocket. If you notice, I keep looking up. I don't know if you can see me or not. I keep looking up because I'm waiting for the maintenance guy to come here, and or the swamp cooler, the heating HVAC guy to come and take a look at my swamp cooler, because it just needs to be serviced. That's all. It's nothing major. It's not broke. And so now I'm just going to lubricate this new bolt carrier group, the conversion kit. Oh, it slides nice. And I'm just using Balustride's multi-purpose lubricant. So I'm getting a text. My heating technician is on the way. Her name is Regina Mack. And I'm going to sit here and continue what I'm doing, because what I'm doing will no way affect what she is coming here to do. So now the bolt carrier group is back in with the conversion kit. And it slides nicely. Now, again, I have discovered through online investigations of this conversion kit, is that it has a last round hold open. But the thing about it is the minute you pop the magazine, the bolt closes. So that's not a problem for me. It's just something that we all need to be aware of. And so what a simple conversion kit. As I've always said, I have my particular AR tricked out the way I like it. By the way, the forward assist does not work when you have the 22 conversion kit inside of it. So just be aware of that. So today is Friday. On Sunday I work, and I'm going to take this with me to work. I work at the I work at the 7 Mile Hill shooting range, so I'm going to take this, and as soon as I'm done work, I'm going to try it out. I just can't wait. I'll make another video for everybody about that. But in the meantime, I am so excited that I have the conversion kit here, and I can't wait to try it. I really can't. By the way, while I have the AR out, I'm going to show you that this particular sight that I chose, I'm really happy with it. And as a matter of fact, I believe I'm going to move it, because now I can adjust which aperture I use. But the nice thing about this particular sight is that if it runs out of batteries, I can look right through it and use the iron sights. I've seen a number of people who take their iron sights off, and you can or not as you see fit. I do not, because I'm a little bit old-fashioned and I believe in being prepared for every eventuality. So, having said that, I have one last thing to do, and you'll see it is the dust cover actually works when you use your conversion kit. Now, one thing is CMMC suggests in their literature, which I will read at my convenience, they suggest that you not leave the bolt group in for an extended period of time, the conversion kit. And so today is Friday. I'm going to use it on Sunday, so it's going to stay in until Sunday. But in the meantime, as I said, please like, subscribe, and comment below. And also, stay safe. Thank you for viewing.